everybody. This video is just going to be about some amazing crochet, I don't know whether to call it stationery because it's not, I don't know whether it is particularly stationery, but basically lovely exciting things that you can use to finish off your projects and also to package them and take really good photos of them. So I always go back time and time again to a company called Jen's Little Tea, and I will leave all of Jen's information in the description box. But this is just my latest selection of things that I've ordered, because obviously not so long ago I got a brand new logo, so that meant that I had to update a few of my things. But I just wanted to say very quickly before we start, this is not an advert, it is not a sponsored product, it's not an endorsement of any kind. This is something that I have purchased with my own money from a company that I use regularly. They haven't asked me to feedback or do a video or anything like that. This is just me showing you what I've got, what I've bought, and letting you know what's out there basically. So yeah, it is not an advert that has been asked for or anything like that, just so you know. But first and foremost, I'm just going to start off, I'm just going to take these bits out for now. I'm going to start off with some photo backgrounds because obviously taking good photos is something that is important if you're trying to really build a base on social media. So the better your pictures, the more interaction you get and things like that. So having a good background is something that's always useful. Something plain or something really bright, just something that is going to make your pictures really stand out. So I've had a few from her in the past. I mean, this one's starting to get a little bit dogged at the edges now, but that's because they've been using them for about 2 years. But I have this lovely plain whitewashed wood effect one. These are just A3 sheets of card that are obviously printed to a really high finish. And then I saw this one, which is just a darker wood for the paler projects. So when I'm using plain white and things like that, obviously they don't show up that wonderfully well on the white background. And also my table, as beautiful as it is, in the background of some photos it can look a little bit yellowy. So I wanted a darker wooden background that wouldn't show up with the yellow effect to it. So I went for this nice darker oak wood. So that is going to be great for my really pale projects. And then obviously we all know I love a little bit of rainbow. So again, this will probably work with almost any colour projects, but again, the whites, the blacks, things like that, that will all really stand out beautifully on this rainbow. So this is just a rainbow wood effect, and it is just absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to start using that as a background for some of my posts. I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, by the time this video goes out I probably will have used it already. But yeah, so that they are my photography backgrounds that I like to use. Again, obviously these things aren't compulsory to use for your crochet stuff, but they're just handy little things for people. And in here is some personalised goodness. So I'm just going to slide this all out. So in here we have got some stickers, because obviously I don't just do tutorials, I do actually make proper projects that I intend to give as gifts and things. And even though I'm only giving them as gifts, I do find it is a nice touch to wrap them and have my little blossom crochet sticker. So you can see I've just got lots and lots of round stickers there, and when I've done some wrapping in my paper I just pop a little circular sticker on, just as a little bit of branding and just to give it that really nice finish. But also when it comes to the wrapping of my gifts and things like that, I've got these. This is something I haven't had from Jen before. This is something new that I wanted to try. And these are branded transparent wrapping sheets. Now I've only gone for the A4, but she does do bigger ones as well. So I tend to box my blankets, pop them into a nice box, and then just pop a nice layer of tissue around and then a little sticker on the top. So I just thought I would try these wrapping sheets. So I've got quite a few here, but let me just get one off the top, which is easier said than done because they're so thin. There we go. So you can see they're actually a transparent wrapping sheet. So if you can imagine that wrapped around a blanket in a box and then with the sticker on the top, they're going to just look really nice, and it's a nice professional touch as well for anybody that is aiming for that. So yeah, those are my little wrapping sheets. So I think they're really nice. I'm really happy with those. I might have to order some of the A3 ones as well. And then we have got here my little care tags. So obviously when you gift an item or sell an item, you want the person that is receiving it to be able to look after it to get the most lifespan out of said product. So I have my logo on the front. Now these are a linen finish, so they're a textured card. And then when you turn it over, I have my care instructions on the back. And it also says handmade by Rebecca at Blossom Crochet. So I pop one of those onto every single thing that I gift or sell or anything like that. I pop a little care tag with it, just so that people know exactly how to look after their item, because obviously we make these things with the intention that we want them to last a lifetime. And so if people aren't really familiar with receiving handmade gifts, they might just bung it in the wash and on a high setting, bung it in the tumble dryer, and then obviously it might not be looking its best anymore. So it's just a really nice way to be able to tell them how to look after it and how to get the best lifespan from it. So they're my little care tags. And then finally we've got these beautiful little notelets. So these are obviously only small. I'm just going to cover up the bottom of them purely because it's got my web address on it and I haven't actually released my website yet. That's how new these are. I haven't started sending these out with anything yet because obviously my website isn't quite ready to be found by the world. So I'm just going to cover it up, don't think I'm being crazy. And so yeah, whenever I send out anything, whether it's an order, whether it's a gift, or whether it's just somebody that has won something in one of my giveaways, then I just use these as a little note to write the little personal message on. And again, it's just all about those little finishing touches that if you are able to do, that, you know, it's great. Obviously, as I said before, please don't feel pressured into getting anything like this. If you're just giving to friends and family and things, then obviously they will be more than happy with whatever you have made them without any of this. But I just wanted to show you all the things that I use and to let you know where I got them all from, because you might not necessarily know what is out there. So that is the purpose of this type of video. So I really do hope that you have enjoyed and maybe seen something that you might really like to get yourself. But all of Jen's information is in the description box, so click that little arrow down at the side and then all of that information will be visible to you. But I will see you for a normal tutorial again very, very soon. But bye for now.